Kamu nagpaminaw sa BYAR 765 SMNI Radio Cebu, kapartner mo sa balita o serbisyo.
Serbisyong kapartner ng bayan. Kapartner ng bayan. Ania ang tulumanong mo paila sa lain-laing ahensya, organisasyon, personalidad o individual nga andamugahin sa ilang serbisyong kapartner ng bayan. Atong sayron ang mataglaka nga nabuhat na ug angay pang buhaton alang sa ikauswag sa matag komunidad ug sa nasud sa kinatibuk-an. Serbisyong kapartner ng bayan. Ania na ang atong kapartner nga makauban karon.
Welcome and thank you for joining us for the official launch of Cebu Business Month 2026. Today, we are not simply launching a calendar of events. We are launching a bigger invitation. An invitation for Cebu to come together. An invitation for the Philippines and the world to look more closely at Cebu. An invitation for investors, innovators, entrepreneurs, and partners to discover what we have long known. Cebu is not only a beautiful place to visit, but Cebu is a powerful place to invest, build, and grow. Every year, Cebu Business Month has become a reflection of where Cebu is and where Cebu is going. It is where vision meets action. It is where partnerships take shape. It is where the business community comes together, not only to discuss the future, but to help define it. But let me make this very clear. Cebu Business Month is not just by CCCI. It is for the whole of Cebu. Ato ning tanan. CCCI may help organize, convene, and mobilize this platform, but CBM belongs to the Cebu business community. Our local governments, our MSMEs, our young entrepreneurs, our academe, our investors, our creative industries, our tourism and players, our media partners, and every Cebuano who believes in the future of this paradise island we call Cebu. In many ways, we dream of CBM becoming an annual gathering that people look forward to, in the same way that Sinulog has become a major reason for people to come to Cebu. Of course, CBM is different. Sinulog is rooted in faith, culture, and devotion, while CBM is rooted in enterprise, investment, innovation, and lots of opportunities. But the spirit is similar: to gather people, to showcase the very best of Cebu, and to give the whole world a compelling reason to keep coming here in Cebu. Sinulog also started small, if we try to recall. Over time, through the years, the community's participation, strong identity, and consistent support made it grow into one of the biggest festivals in the Philippines. And why not for CBM? Imagine, every January, people flock to Cebu for Sinulog. In the mid-year, June, people come to Cebu to celebrate investment in CBM. This is also our aspiration for CBM. We want CBM to grow year after year, not only as a chamber event, but as a Cebu's flagship Business and Investment Festival, a platform where local and global partners come to see Cebu as an investment paradise, where business can prosper, partnerships can thrive, and communities can benefit in the beach or up in the mountains, not in their coat and tie, but in their short pants and their slippers. This is why our brand, Invest in Cebu, Prosper in Paradise, is very strong. It is a statement of all Cebuanos, a statement of confidence. It tells the world that Cebu offers more than strategic location, natural beauty, and strong tourism appeal. Cebu offers talent, connectivity, resilience, creativity, enterprise, and a business community that knows how to work together. As we launch CBM 2026, we are setting a direction for how Cebu chooses to move forward in an increasingly complex and competitive world. We are at a moment where growth must be very intentional. It must be resilient, and most importantly, it must be shared. The challenges we face in energy security, sustainability, digital transformation, infrastructure, transport, logistics, and workforce readiness are not issues that one organization can solve alone. They require coordination, they require trust, they require partnerships, and most importantly, they require action more than words. This is where CBM plays its role. CBM is the platform where ideas are activated. It is where collaboration moves beyond conversation. It is where solutions begin to take shape. For CBM 2026, we are anchored on a very clear direction to position Cebu as a future-ready, investment-driven, and sustainability-oriented economy. Through our forums, summits, business matching sessions, sectoral engagements, and community-led initiatives, we will bring together leaders across industries to confront real challenges and unlock real opportunities for growth. Guiding this effort is our Lead a Must Have Impact agenda. Through this agenda, we commit to strengthen Cebu's position not only as a premier destination, but as a competitive, resilient, and forward-looking business hub. We do this by engaging the broader community, activating meaningful partnerships, both local and global, and developing skills, talent, and capacity needed to prepare our workforce and enterprises for a rapidly evolving economy. In short, Lead a Must Impact is our call to bring people, institutions, and industries together so that Cebu's growth is not only ambitious, but inclusive, participatory, and truly shared. At the same time, this agenda is strengthened by our alliances, academic industry collaboration, MICE-driven platforms like CBM, reliable utilities, stewardship and environmental sustainability, and improved transport and logistics connectivity. But beyond plans, programs, and frameworks, what truly defines CBM 2026 this year is the impact we will be making to the society. We are committed to outcomes that are real, measurable, and lasting beyond words. We want action this year, whether through Whether through investments, generated partnerships formed, policies influenced, MSME supported, capabilities strengthened, or Cebu's global visibility expanded, CBM must deliver value that extends beyond the event itself and into the broader community. This is why today is also a formalization of partnerships, because CBM is not owned by one institution, it is not owned by CCCI, it is built through shared commitment. Our partners, sponsors, government allies, media friends, and industry stakeholders are not simply supporters. You all are part, co-creators of Cebu's growth story. To our partners, thank you for believing in Cebu and in what we can achieve together. To the media, thank you very much for helping share, tell this story, and for amplifying Cebu's voice beyond this venue. And to the entire business community, we invite you to join us to take part, to engage, to lead, and to help make CBM bigger, stronger, and more impactful each and every year. Because at the end of the day, CBM is about one thing: moving Cebu forward together. Moving Cebu, making Cebu great again. Daghang salamat. Padayon gihapon ta, Cebu.
Welcome to all. Before anything else, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to Mega World Hotels and Resort for graciously hosting us this evening. The stunning venue is the perfect setting to launch what I believe will be one of the most meaningful the Gloria Albiso and the entire Mega World family, daghang salamat.
Also, I would like to take the moment to acknowledge our CBM and CBM 2026 partners who are with us tonight. Your presence here reflects a shared commitment to shaping Cebu's future. Your belief in this initiative and willingness to invest not just resources, but your trust and your name means everything to us. You are not just CCCI partners, but the co-builders of Cebu's future. And we do not take that lightly. To our friends in the media, thank you for being here and for helping us carry this story to a wider audience. The work you do in amplifying the voices of our business community is something we deeply value. When we say CBM 2026, we are not just simply talking about a series of events on the calendar. We are talking about a movement, an intentional, coordinated, and collective effort to mobilize the full strength of Cebu's business community. This year, CBM will bring together investors, entrepreneurs, innovators, and designers, tourism leaders, digital pioneers, young professionals, and seasoned industry veterans, all under one shared vision. The Cebu is more connected, more competitive, and more compassionate in how it grows. Despite the uncertainties, we have put together a rich calendar of events, from summits on investments, technology and tourism, to the platforms that celebrates the youth, our creativity, and our identity as a city of good design and good business. None of this would be possible without the extraordinary group of people who have poured their passion and purpose into making CBM 2026 a reality. In a few moments, you will meet the CBM champions, working team leaders from across industry who have stepped forward not because it was convenient, but because they believe, as I do, that Cebu's best days are still ahead of us. So in short, we're all volunteered here by our president. To each member of this team, thank you. Each one of you are a nation builder at a local scale. And whether it is seen today or fully understood years from now, Cebu will feel its impact. And if there is one truth that brings us all here tonight, is this: Cebu is standing at a defining moment. The choice we make now, or how we collaborate, how we invest, how we innovate, will determine not just how we go, but who we become. We can either grow in fragments, or we can rise together with intentions. CBM 2026 is our answer to that choice. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight is not just a lunch, it is a signal, a declaration that Cebu will not wait for the future to happen. We will shape it together. To everyone in this room, from our partners, our team, our media friends, and our business leaders who has dared to dream alongside us, welcome to CBM 2026. Daghang salamat. Thank you. Padayon Cebu.
Maukadto ang tulumanong serbisyong kapartner ng bayan. Ubani kami ninyo sa sunod na higayon. Matag Lunes hangtod Biyernes sa susamang oras, alauna hangtod alas 2 hapon. Dinhi lamang sa DYAR 765 SMNA Radio Cebu.